Very pleasant good morning, everyone, and welcome into KOXE Central Texas weather for your Tuesday morning. Let's get started with a look at temperatures outside. First of all, the Brownwood Regional Airport, where we have 57 degrees. It says fair skies, but we do have some cloud cover. The wind gauge isn't working properly out there right now. 88% humidity, so you'll notice it's a bit humid this morning. We have some clouds, and there could be some drizzle coming from those clouds. The barometer steady 29.98. I want to call your attention to our temperature map because notice here at KOXE 60 degrees, but you go south and look at this: 71 in Burnett, 70 in Lampasas, Brady 68. We have low 70s on I-10 and 76 down in Austin. That warmer air is slowly making its way up across our region. See, in Comanche it's 58. It's 55 out in Coleman, up in Cisco, 61 in Stephenville, 58 in Comanche. So quite a bit of difference between the 60 here in Brownwood and the 71 down in Burnett. All right, your weather headlines. It's just simply going to be warm during the day for today all the way through Thursday. But we have a strong cold front that's coming in on Friday. And then we have, believe it or not, kind of early for this stuff, but the potential for some Arctic air coming in on Sunday night or Monday here into the central Texas area. You'll see that in the 7-day forecast, and I'll explain it to you here in just a moment. But as we look at our regional satellite and radar, you're not seeing any precipitation anywhere. And as we look at the color-enhanced infrared satellite this morning, you'll notice that we have some low cloudiness. You can barely see it, but it's kind of moving up from the hill country, south central Texas, over our area, and that could produce some light drizzle this morning, maybe enough to run the windshield wipers. And then of course we have clouds around much of the morning as a result of that, and eventually we get into some sunshine this afternoon. But break out the snow plows across the northern part of the country. I know Des Moines, Iowa yesterday got quite a lot of snow, but that storm track still very vigorous across the northern U.S. And then we have an area of showers and thunderstorms from Kentucky all the way back up into New York State. But it's what's coming with the jet stream next week that changes our weather, and I'll talk more about that here in just a moment. Look at these temperatures and that cold air across the north, and that's cold air that eventually makes it to Texas. I'll have more weather for you in just a moment.
Texas Bank is a vital part of our community. Without Texas Bank, our schools, kids, family, and our economies wouldn't enjoy the quality of life that Brownwood has to offer. Texas Bank is more than free checking and low interest rates. It's scholarships, volunteerism, and charitable contributions that make our community what it is. That is why I choose Texas Bank. Proven, local, strong.
And welcome back. Here's a look at the next 12 hours. Some showers up into Oklahoma with a stationary front up that way. Not so much here, though. Going out 24 hours, we'll have no precipitation here across our region. Again, stationary front Oklahoma, and their chances are fairly low up there. We go out to 36 hours. And again, once again for Brownwood, not much happening here across the central Texas area, kind of quiet. And that extends all the way into 48 hours, taking us into Thursday. But I'll tell you what, this time tomorrow, you'll start to see a change on that particular map. Well, this is a little bit different look for you here. This is what's happening, projected to happen first part of next week, Monday and Tuesday. These are upper level winds, 500 millibar level. That's about 18,000 feet above the ground. And what I want to call your attention to is this. You see these arrows coming from the northwest, and they come down into Arizona and New Mexico, and then they turn to the northeast. Right in here, low pressure. You see those L's, low pressure. That transports cold Arctic air from Canada down the Rockies, makes a turn, and this low pressure upper level low comes right across Texas 7 days from today. And that brings, number one, much colder air. Could bring precipitation, and you know what that means. If it's cold enough, it could be some interesting precipitation, maybe wintry. I don't know. I think it's too early to say for sure. But the point being, the models are starting to sniff out this trend to colder weather across our area by next week, early next week. We don't have to worry about that today, though. 87 degrees. We'll have drizzle around this morning and some sunshine this afternoon. As far as what we can expect tonight, 63 degrees. Mostly cloudy skies, southeast winds 10 to 15 or 5 to 10 miles per hour. So a nice night tonight. And tomorrow near 86 degrees, partly cloudy, southeast wind 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's your forecast for the next 7 days. As you see, tomorrow and Thursday we're at 86. It is going to be windy here on Friday. We have another front coming in, so 72 degrees. And I'll just go ahead and caution you to take some coats and blankets to the football games on Friday night. You'll need them, as temperatures will be dropping into the 50s during the football games, eventually getting into the 40s by Saturday morning. Saturday near 75 for a high. Big warm up on Sunday, back into the upper 80s. And then here comes that system and the colder air. Monday I'm going for 50. Tuesday I'm going for 45 degrees. Overnight lows in the 30s. We need the rain, and we've got 30% rain chances Monday and Tuesday of next week. And these temperatures could be colder. We'll just have to wait and see. But big changes for sure coming early next week in the weather. That's your update this morning. Thanks for watching. See you back here in the noon hour at 12:30. Have a great day.